Hello everybody, Shannon DeNovo here. I'm going to do a quick little video on how to add an assignment to Google Classroom. Okay, for this assignment, I created a slides presentation. So I put a directions page here. It tells the students to use images to recreate the types of reactions. And then I created a little sample slide so they could kind of see what I wanted them to do. Okay, and then they are going to edit this presentation and make some of their own slides. Okay, so to add this to Google Classroom, I'm going to go over here and click on my Google Classroom tab. Okay, I make sure that it's period 6 where I want to add it in. And I'm going to go to the classwork tab because I'm going to assign classwork. This is going to be an extra credit assignment, and I've already created this topic with the create tab. So it's already there, and I'm going to put it under extra credit assignments. So to add it, you're going to go to create and then assignment. Okay, it's really important that you give every assignment a title or you won't be able to assign it. So this assignment is going to be titled Types of Reactions, Presentation Creation. Okay, so I've created the title and I've given them a few little instructions. Now I'm going to add the presentation. So go over and click this paperclip and add. And then I'm going to add this one from Google Drive because I created it in Google Drive. If you want them to be able to edit it, you need to make sure that you're using this feature. I'm going to go ahead and click on Types of Reactions with Images. These templates have been created for my other classes. And then this is a really important step. So I want the students not to just view the file, I want them to all interact with their own presentation. So I'm going to select this arrow and go down to make a copy for each student. So now, all on its own, Google Classroom is making a brand new copy for each student. So as they open it up, it's going to make a new copy. It's going to change the title to this title dash their name. And then I can actually kind of watch what they're doing as they're doing it. Okay, you're going to select the classes that you want this to go in. I'm only going to put it in period 6 because I actually already put it in period 5. Then I thought, hey, I'll make this video. You can select which students you want it to go to. So maybe you just wanted to offer extra credit for a couple students that are having a rough time. So you could do that. Select the points available. I'm going to actually just leave it at 100. And then go ahead and you can select your due date. Once you click on the due date, it will give you a calendar. I'm going to give them until Sunday to get it done. And you can also select a time if you'd like. And then this is where you select the topic. So I'm going to select my extra credit topic right here, extra credit assignments. Okay, and you could add a rubric or add originality reports, but it's just the little images, so I don't need that. Okay, once you double check that you've done everything you want to do, you can click assign here, or you can schedule. So if I wanted this to show up in the morning, you can go to schedule. You pick the date. This right now is set for midnight on April 1st, so they might think it's an April Fool's Day assignment. I don't really want there to get an email notification at 12 o'clock a.m., so I'm going to change the time to 8 a.m. Maybe it will wake them up. Okay, go ahead and click schedule. And now you can see that the assignment is scheduled and it tells you what time it's scheduled for. If you wanted to edit because you want to make a change, you can click on the 3 dots and edit it, or you can go in and delete it. Okay, that is how you create an assignment in Google Classroom. Thank you. I hope that was helpful. Bye-bye.